Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Audi A5 Bluetooth. First, make sure your Audi A5's ignition is on and the MMI system is fully powered up. Next, grab your mobile device and confirm that its Bluetooth function is enabled and discoverable. Then, navigate to the Tell or Phone menu within your Audi's MMI interface. This is the starting point for all Bluetooth connections. Once you are in the Phone menu, you will see an option to connect mobile phone or search for new device. Select this to begin the pairing process. Your Audi A5 will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the MMI screen, select it. A pairing code will then display on both your phone and the MMI. Confirm that these codes match to proceed. After confirming the pairing code, your Audi A5 will prompt you to allow access for contacts and recent calls. Accept this to fully integrate your phone. To ensure everything is working correctly, make a quick test call. Finally, take a moment to adjust the audio settings within the MMI to achieve your preferred sound quality for calls and media playback. Enjoy your new hands-free connection. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your mobile phone and the Audi MMI system often resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your MMI to free up connection slots and prevent interference. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.